Welcome, welcome, welcome to Desert Disc Planning. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you found me and I found you. And I'm super excited and I hope that we actually stick together for a while. And if you have been here before, I'm really glad that you're back. And in today's video, we are actually going to do the setup for my July. So I have been I have all my inserts here for the month of July. I have actually went ahead and set them up. I think there's 2 sections I still have left. And then this is June. So I'm going to take out June and we'll put in July and then put it in my cover. So this is all the Happy Planner. The sticker is actually from the planner spot. But I'm using my stash. And so by doing that, I'm taking all my old unused planner stuff and I am recreating it for my 2024 planner line. So here we go. I'm just going to flip through and at the same time I'm going to open this up. We're going to put this behind and then we have the main section. For the main section here, I'm going to take out, I'm not going to take out my dashboard. I'm only going to take out my inserts. So I need my scissors and they should be somewhere close. Let's see. Okay, so I cut off this part, this little section right here. So how am I going to do this? Do I do it sideways? So I think what I'm going to do, because it's still, I have the last week of June, I'm going to take June out, put it here, take July out, put it here. Like I'm just going to reverse them just so that I still have everything in a planner. But I want to make sure I'm all on the camera so you can see it. So I just cut that part off and then I'm going to take it out. And then I'm going to take this out. All of my let's see, working on the backyard. Got to put that to the side though. So there is that. I'm going to put June here. And then I'm going to put July here. So we got the main. Then we have our week 1. And then we put all of our weeklies in. Okay, so there's that. Then we have the daily, but that's at the back. So we're going to skip that and go straight to home. So now we have the home section. And I need to cut this part off. And the home section is colorful leopard, vertical. I think it's like a vertical line style. So I'm going to cut that off, pull that up. And then I'm going to take the home section, flip it over. I'm going to pull all of these out. Let's see. And then I noticed I actually did not use a lot of the meal planning ideas. So, I didn't use the task part of it. I didn't use the monthly task. I didn't use that one. So we'll pull that out. We'll put that back over here. Probably too thick. All the sections that I clean in my home. Taking care of the fur babies, that kind of thing. So there's that. And then I'm going to put this over. We're going to do the monthly. Then we're going to do the weekly. Independence Day next week. And then we have this. Now when it comes to the task, the home task, that is, it has a monthly on here, but I'm not using it and I don't even decorate it. I just jot down what needs to happen that day, like the main items. So I've thought about decorating it, but there's not a lot that you need to decorate with. I don't really need the monthly. I don't want the dashboard to separate it, so that's right, actually. Oh no, that is, I don't know. Anyways, so then we go into the kids. So I have the kiddo section. I even have my daughter's art right here. She gave me little faces. And that is here. Let's pull all of that out. Cut off this part. See, to me, July tells me like summer's not over, but summer vacation is over for us. So that's done. All right, and then I'm going to take out the monthly. And then the weekend, or the weeks. So I'm going to leave the kiddo agenda because that really tells me like their daily schedules and stuff. So I'm going to leave that in there because that's still needed. I don't do the front page. I need to do something like put like a cute dashboard, something or another on there, because it's really like what's the girls' schedule like, what's the boys' schedule. Then I got to add like their school schedule in there, football schedule, it's going to be the school schedule, all that good stuff. So, and now we're going into health. So here we have the health, and it is the fitness extension packet. So I'm going to take this out. I was really bad this month. I'm just going to tell you that right now. And then I have this whole section to take out. It feels thick. It's because I did a lot of decorating on the actual mushroom part of it. So we got the monthly. Let's cut the little tab off. And then we have the weekly. And there's a video for every single one of these setups that you will see throughout the month. And if I'm not mistaken, my main section will be done on Mondays. My home section's done on Tuesdays. My kids section's on Wednesdays. My health section's on Thursdays. And then I have my budget section, which I didn't even touch it in this planner, so I feel really bad, but I kind of don't either. I did touch it somewhere else, so I'm going to leave the budget breakdown currently at this time, because like I said, I was bad about it. Let me go ahead and put this in here so I can finish it for the month. And then I'll do the budget. So we'll bring the budget over here. And I really got more into it because I think I'm going to get more into it before the month of July, because I did decorate the budget section for the month of July. And there are videos of it. So I really hope that you guys check those out, so that may motivate me a little bit more on using it. I mean, that's the plan. I did reels on them, and it got ignored. That's what happened, because I wasn't touching it. It just got ignored. but I did actual YouTube videos of this section, so on how I set it up. Now, whenever it comes to the work section of the planner, that is Desert Disc Planning and its shop. This is the section that I have not decorated yet, but I wanted to go ahead and get everything in there, and that is here. So let me go ahead and pull all of this out. So there it is. Let me pull the work over here. It's not decorated, but I have tabbed it. So it's kind of funny. So let me cut this off. So see, yeah, it's all tabbed on how I'm going to decorate it moving forth for July, but I haven't touched it. So we will be decorating this bad boy in this planner. Which is fine with me. I'm doing a different layout whenever it comes to that though. And then I have my content, which my content is actually content planning for Angelique Plans, because that's what Angelique Plans is, just content creating. So I'll pull all of that out, and then I'll cut this tab. And then I will also be decorating content. So you will see how I do that. As for on Off the Streets, which is a traveling sports team that I manage, it will not be on here. Succulent Sublimations, which is also another business of mine, will not be on here. My dailies, let's knock out my dailies. Oh, I never put a paper over that. So let's pull that out. I got real bad on my dailies, so I went ahead and I decorated all of them as well for the month. So they are completely decorated and ready to go. Super excited about that. So now that I have them, they are actually up with the photo of each one, and I'm working on the reels right now. So every one of them should have a reel every day. I'm super excited about that. I feel like that also is more motivating. Use Live Love Posh versus the Happy Planner for these layouts, and I enjoy doing that as a Live Love Posh stash challenge that is being hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. So I went ahead and I did that. Most of all of this is hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. Actually, all of it is. So I have June over here, so now I can carry this bad boy with me. And then this one is ready for July. So let me finish June out with this one. And then maybe I'll get a flip through of this on camera to go over each and every section other than budget. I will not go over that section. But then I will, so here this is, let's do like a quick flip through of what's going on in July. So see, there's no way I could have taken June and July and put them together in the same planner at all. Again, I cut all my July tabs off because I already have it tabbed. So here we go. We have the beginning of the planner, which I still haven't gotten a 2024 at a glance. So we have the monthly, then we have the main weeklies, and then we have the main ideas, which is I'm just going to put on dot paper or something. And then we have the home monthly, the home weeklies, and then we go into task. Which I don't know what's going on. So let's just do this. So I will write down all the tasks that I need to get done. I do not really date the section. I know there's enough sections for each day there's 6 dots per day, something like that, but I just do an ongoing running list. That's it. And as I do it, as I get it, then I just mark it off. So that's what that is. Check off is the different departments of the house that's been clean. Cleaning everything. So then we have the kiddo section. So it's the monthly, and then it goes into, the weekly, but I didn't separate that. So then it goes into the weekly, and this is their sports, getting ready for school, their timeshare, that kind of thing. And then their agenda is their personal schedules. So that's why the front sheet is nothing. It's also not a decorated one. So then we have the health monthly. So we go into the monthly. And I did a Live Love Posh stash challenge for this one. So then we go into the weekly, and then we'll finish that one off. And then we have the budget monthly. So here's the budget monthly. And then we have the budget weekly, which I'm still doing that. Well, I completed this one. So we have the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, and then we have the bills, and then we're going to do the ending balance of the week on the bottom. Then we have like the breakdown. Then we go into work, and that needs to still be decorated. So each video that's going to be going live, usually, so once I get ready to set this up, what I will do is I take the sticky notes off here once the videos are already uploaded, which I'd have to say 85% of these videos are already done and uploaded. I only am missing the work section, and it looks like I'm not even going to put content on there, so that's fine. So the work section is the only one that's missing to be done. But I take the sticky notes off and I go ahead and start setting them up in August. So that way I know. So that's the monthly. And then I'm going to do my Monday through Sunday here, because I noticed just having Monday through Friday here did not work for me. So I'm going to do the days up here, and I'm going to do each section of the planner there. So that way I know when I'm doing their YouTube video, their reel, their posts, their stories, their TikToks, their shorts, you name it. And if you would like to know how I do all of that, just hit me up and I will give you I'll give you the whole 411 on that for free. And then I have Angelique plans, so all the videos that I have already gotten ready for her is there. Off the streets, and then we go into succulent sublimations, and then I have my dailies. So I've decorated all of my dailies with Live Love Posh. Each one of those will be up for your liking, for your disliking, for your enjoyment, whatever. So I feel like that will get me more into it. I know it's in the back of my planner. I've debated whether or not to pull my dailies to the front. I haven't made that full-blown decision just yet, but here it is. This is my July planner going into the same case. I'm working on case covers and dashboards now for the shop, so I haven't completed that, but there it is. July is ready to go. I'm super excited about it, and I can still finish my June, and it's still bound. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.